By launching its sporty-looking Arkana SUV in Europe, Renault is reinventing the conventional codes of the market. It becomes the first general-purpose manufacturer to offer a SUV coupé in Europe, a segment that until now was reserved for premium brands. It also makes no compromises on safety with a maximum score of 5 stars in Euro NCAP crash tests. At the same time, it can carry several types of engines with the latest full hybrid technology, E-Tech hybrid, 145 horsepower, and its 1.3 TCE micro-hybrid 12-volt motors, not to mention the 140 horsepower and 160 horsepower versions.